Welcome to the installation, commissioning and operation guide of NS2-25 motor starter. Before starting, please disconnect the power supply and wear insulated gloves and protective goggles. Please prepare wire strippers, crimping tools, appropriately sized wires, wire lugs, screwdrivers, insulated gloves, and a multimeter. Before starting the installation, use the on and off buttons to test whether the product can be connected and disconnected smoothly. Then use the button next to test to toggle the product in the direction of the arrow to see if it can be disconnected normally, and press the on button at the same time to see if it can be connected normally. Method of installation: align the bottom of the starter with the lower edge of the DIN rail, and then push it to the upper edge to ensure that the starter is properly inserted into the DIN rail. If you need to remove the starter, use a flathead screwdriver to lift the stopper upwards. Lift the top of the actuator to separate it from the DIN rail, and then tilt it backward at a certain angle to remove it. Before starting the wiring steps, ensure to select wires with the appropriate cross-sectional area based on the product's current rating, as recommended in the instruction. Use wire strippers to strip 10 mm of the copper wire, making sure the exposed copper wire is of moderate length. Use wire crimping pliers to crimp the wire nose to the end of the copper wire to ensure the reliability of the connection. For NS2-25, regard 1L1, 3L2, and 5L3 as the primary circuit incoming terminals, and 2T1, 4T2, and 6T3 as the primary circuit outgoing terminals. Use the electric torque screwdriver to tighten the wires. That the torque meets the specified value is the key to ensure the safety and stability of the connection. The wiring task is complete when you complete these steps. After powering on, use the button next to test to toggle the product in the direction of the arrow to see if it can be disconnected normally. Use a multimeter to perform a continuity test on NS2 to verify that it is working normally. Refer to the troubleshooting guide if a problem is encountered. We will cover the diagnostics and troubleshooting steps for several common faults, such as a starter that does not actuate or frequently trips. For more information, please visit our official website, or get in touch with our local representatives for assistance.